Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. So in this video, I want to compare all of the three platforms that I recommend if you're trying to create a course, sell a course, build landing pages, do all of those things. If you're a creator right now, you want to put something out. These are some of the three softwares that you will come across a lot. And these softwares, I've used them all. I've used this software is about to talk about, and I'm just going to compare all of the three, do a review of what they offer in terms of the pricing and also some of the tools that they offer you as an online creator, as an online educator as well. So I'm just going to go through them one after the other, go through the basic plans, start with their basic plan and see how cheap it is, how affordable it is versus the tools that it offers you as an online educator. So let's start with Kajabi. Kajabi is like one of the top ones out there that people always recommend, and there's also Kartra and there's also System.io in this video that I'm going to be reviewing. Now let's start with the basic plan for Kajabi, right? For Kajabi, the basic plan is $119. Inside of $119 a month, you get 3 products, meaning you can have 3 products in there, 3 different courses, let's put it that way. You can have 3 funnels, meaning you can set out 3 funnels for 3 different products. You can have unlimited landing pages, you have unlimited marketing emails, you can send unlimited emails, and you can have up to 10,000 contacts and 1,000 active customers, meaning people who can pay you on that platform. Then you can have a website and 1 admin user. Now, let's go to Kartra and let's see what Kartra offers for its basic plan. They call it the starter plan. In Kartra, you can have up to 2,500 leads. Remember, Kajabi gives you up to 10,000 leads, right? Then you have 15,000 emails per month. Kajabi says you can send unlimited emails per month, 50,000 gigabyte of bandwidth, meaning you can host your videos, whatever it is that you're trying to upload to the platform. You have up to 50 gigabytes. You can host 100 pages, 100 landing pages on the platform, 50 videos, sell 20 products. Let's see what Kajabi gives you. Kajabi gives you 3 products, but with Kartra you get 20. 1 additional team member, 1 connect help desk, and agencies not included. Now, let's see what System.io gives you from the basic plan at all. That's $27. That's a big difference between these two. We have $27 on System.io, we have $99 on Kartra, and we have $119. That's almost 5 times more expensive than System.io. Now, with their basic plan for $27, you have 5,000 contacts, which is separate from 2,500 that you get on Kartra and 10,000 that you get on Kajabi. So 5,000, you can send unlimited emails. You can have 10 sales funnels. Now on Kajabi, you have 3 funnels, just 3. You pay $119 and you have just 3. With Kartra, you can have up to 20 products and 2 membership sites. And with System.io, you can have unlimited blog posts. You have 5 blogs and you have unlimited students. Unlimited students on Kartra, you can have 1,000. System.io gives you unlimited. On System, you have 2 communities, 2 membership sites. On System.io, you have unlimited community members, file storage space unlimited on System.io. You have 10 automation rules, email campaigns, one-click upsells, order bumps, A/B tests, coupon codes, and all of these things. Like, it's what you get with the startup plan for $27 on System.io is far more than what you get on all of these things. Now let's talk about how well they perform, right? Now this is from my personal experience. I've helped clients build out funnels on Kartra, on Kajabi, and especially on Kajabi, I wonder how they've been able to get away with so many things, because the platform can get really slow. I mean, I'm talking about Kajabi and Kartra now. For example, last week I was trying to help a client, set up their funnels, the tracking and all that, and I could not do that for about 2 days. I couldn't, set up tracking. I couldn't go in there. It was just, loading and loading and loading. Maybe they have a DDoS attack or something. So I couldn't understand how they've been able to get away with, the user experience on the website. The things that you would simply do easily on System.io, you have to go through hoops in order to do it on this platform. I'm not saying this because I'm not affiliated for System.io. No, it's not where I make my money anyway, but I'm just saying it from a business standpoint. As someone who uses all of these platforms, for $27, you get all of these things, and the most you can pay on System.io is $97, and even for $47 you will be able to run a webinar on System.io, something that Kajabi or Kartra do not offer on any of that platform. So if you look at the cost to the benefits that you get on any of this platform, it's so obvious that System.io, heads and shoulders above every other thing, every other platform. And you might argue that a lot of people, more people use Kajabi, more people use Kartra, but the thing is, a lot more people use System.io. If you go to the Facebook page, there's thousands and thousands of people inside that Facebook page making money, running their businesses, everything, every aspect of the business using System.io. So what would I recommend as a business owner, as an online business owner who's trying to host a course, who's trying to have email automations, run webinars, and all of these things, having a full funnel, inside of one platform? I would most definitely recommend System.io, because for someone being a marketer, one of the things that is most important to me is being able to track what I'm doing, is being able to track my spending, my ad spend, and all of that. And setting up tracking on any of these platforms, Kajabi and Kartra, is not the most intuitive, especially on Kajabi. But with System.io, you can do that pretty easily. And I most definitely recommend to anyone who's just getting started, especially if you don't have a lot of money to get started with. You can even start with the $0 plan, which allows you to have 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails, 3 sales funnels. I mean, there's just so much you can get here with System.io. Again, so if you want to sign up, I'll leave a link down in the description. Go sign up with them, go check them out, or you can even start for free if you want. Anyways, this is where I stand on all of these 3 platforms. If you are trying to sell something online, build out your online business. And I hope this video has been helpful in any way. And if it has, consider subscribing. If you want to see other videos on how to set up landing pages using System.io, I'll leave that in the description as well as in the cards as well. So again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.